Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today's Russian word of the day 16 in this series, is the word for cream, as in the kind of cream that you would put into a cup of coffee if you wanted to make it a little bit less strong. So that word is pronounced
Сливки, сливки,
sleeve. Did I say that first part right? Sleeve? I don't think I quite persuaded you. Sleeve? Ki. Slivki. 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 So if you don't like your coffee super strong and you want to make it something that you're more able to tolerate, you would ask your host for sливки for your coffee. We'll see you again tomorrow when we release our new word of the day. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any more videos in this series. If you want to start at the very beginning, that link is down in the description. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day, but until then, get curious and start digging.
сливки, сливки.